That handed the initiative to Mitsubishi with their more standard Pajeros, and in true fashion, they took the top 3 places on day 1.
Woo! All right, everyone, let's check out this 1997 Mitsubishi Pajero JR. This is an 1100cc car that packs the same size as a KEI car, but a whole lot more punch. It's an 1100cc Mitsubishi dual overhead cam engine, fuel injected, 4x4, high and low transfer case. Back seats fold flat or upright, so you can seat a total of 4 people. There are shoulder belts in the rear. Got a nice tidy headliner. Plush captain's chairs. Hybrid all-weather floor mats, front and back. Packs a stocky little body, fender flares, rear mounted spare tire, 15-inch wheels, disc brakes up front, factory mounted fog lights, factory roof rails, factory rain visors on the doors. This thing is fun. You can register this in almost any state. California, ? It does not have the same restrictions that KEI car registration has because this is not technically a KEI car. Let's fire it up. Japanese toll card reader, as well as an Eclipse head unit, complete with AM, FM disc, music jukebox, TV, and memory stick. This came preloaded with some really cool tunes from Japan. Glove box featuring all the manuals. 2 keys, factory, outside temp and clock and altimeter and compass. Park this thing anywhere. Park it on the sidewalk. For all I care. It'll fit. One touch windows. It's got about a 6,500 red line, and it's really torquey. Woo! Five-speed gearbox, nice and tight, short throws, real easy to maneuver and whip around. So much fun. Most of the torque is in the top end of the power band there. You can really get it ripping. The car only has 49,000 original miles, so, and not only that, but it's been really, really well taken care of. It smells fresh in here. Like a lot of the cars we tend to offer, this one is presenting really, really well in almost like new condition. It has a factory key fob remote as well, so you can unlock and lock those doors without having to stick the key in. Fuel economy reports on these rigs is pretty phenomenal. Some people even say they get high 40s. We haven't calculated anything, but that sure would be sweet. Brakes feel great, engine feels great. The only thing that's currently non-functional is the AC is not blowing cold. We had that inspected, and it needs a new condenser motor, which we have on order from Japan. Having that installed and replaced is part of the sale. So we expect to have that working for the new owner. Otherwise, everything else seems to work well. The car is in fantastic shape. What a fun little car. Great daily or a tow behind towed behind your RV. This thing is pretty capable for what it is. Super fun. Well, there you guys have it. 1997 Mitsubishi Pajero JR. This is the anniversary edition. Not too sure what that means, but if someone knows, let us know in the comments. Now for sale with us at OttoEx. Check it out, OttoEx.com. Or give us a call if you want to take home this really special Pajero.